You want to know what happens when McLaren decides to ignore every trend in supercar design and just build a machine that's brutally, uncompromisingly focused on doing one thing exceptionally well? You get the 2026 McLaren 750S. And today on Car Review CR, we're going to find out if this mid-engine masterpiece is genuinely the most honest supercar money can buy right now. Let's start with the numbers because they're genuinely staggering. The 750S uses a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine producing 740 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission driving the rear wheels. TrueCar. It delivers a 0 to 60 time of 2.7 seconds and hits a top speed of 206 miles per hour. Kelley Blue Book. That's not just fast. That's genuinely in the conversation with the fastest production machines ever built. The 2026 McLaren 750S has a starting MSRP of $359,600 with an additional $5,500 destination charge. TrueCar. For that serious money, you're getting something that refuses to apologize for what it is. In its second year of production, the McLaren 750S picks up where its 7.2 successor left off, namely with a muscular 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, churning out 740 horsepower, a svelte 3,200-pound carbon fiber frame, and scorching athleticism. Edmunds. This is a car built for pure performance, not for showing off in parking lots. Here's what genuinely separates the 750S from everything else competing at this price point: the engineering honesty. It's all underpinned by a sophisticated and complex hydraulic suspension that adapts from punishing race-ready stiffness to docile compliance when it's time to simply run a few errands. Edmunds. Fixed-roof 750S Coupe tips the scales at just 2,815 pounds. Dry. Good for roughly 526 horsepower per US ton. The Spider's retractable hardtop adds only 108 pounds. McLaren Houston. McLaren refuses to build heavier than necessary, and that fundamental philosophy changes everything about how this car behaves. Carbon fiber takes center stage in McLaren 750S. Carbon fiber pack wraps driver-focused tech in motorsport texture, while exposed weave rear bumper ducts and mirror caps striped in contrasting color sharpen the silhouette. McLaren Rankamirage. This isn't decoration. This is function wrapped in beautiful proportions. 30 kilograms weight reduction pairs with a richer, more visceral exhaust note to heighten every throttle surge. And circuit-bound owners can specify the first track brake upgrade system ever offered on a series production McLaren supercar, combining endurance-grade cooling with carbon ceramic hardware. McLaren Rankamirage. McLaren 750S is an old-school supercar done the modern way. Lighter, sharper, and more communicative without drowning you in modes and gimmicks. TrueCar. There's no 700-button infotainment system trying to convince you it's smarter than you are. There's no automatic this or adaptive that fighting against your inputs. This is a machine that believes in driver responsibility and driver reward in equal measure. My honest final take: the 2026 McLaren 750S proves that in a world obsessed with electric everything and hybrid complexity, sometimes the most radical statement is refusing to compromise on what matters. This is McLaren building a supercar the way supercars should be built: light, fast, honest, and genuinely rewarding for drivers who actually know how to drive. That's your Car Review CR breakdown on the 2026 McLaren 750S. Drop a comment. 750S Coupe or Spider. Subscribe and catch you in the next one.